Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum 400. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with console. By console I mean PlayStation 5, Xbox or PlayStation 4. In order to pair it with console, you can use USB-C to USB-C cable or USB-C to USB-A cable. You can connect it directly to console to use it. But we've got the second choice. This 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack cable. What you have to do is simply connecting one piece of this cable here and the second one to micro jack port in your console's controller. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.